Welcome to How Find Things, the YouTube channel for finding information. Amazon is building new AI models to make its assistant more proactive, conversational, and keep up with the AI race like ChatGPT and Google's Bard. Check it out. As new forms of generative AI spread across the technology world, it is becoming difficult for Alexa users to accept rudimentary answers from Amazon's voice assistant compared to sophisticated text-based conversations with OpenAI's ChatGPT. In a simple but telling example from a few months ago, a tech journalist who had a sore throat at the time posted a TikTok asking Alexa to provide a recipe to help him feel better. Sure, Amazon's voice assistant replied, giving a standard response to recipe-related queries. I can search by dish name and ingredients. What would you like? Something to make me feel better when I'm not feeling well, Morrison replied. Alexa asked him again to provide a dish name and ingredients. This example already shows how much Alexa needs to update itself, otherwise it will fall behind in the race to continue being everyone's favorite. With that, we learned that Amazon is also working on generative AI. This information was confirmed by Amazon's CEO Andy Jassy to the company's shareholders in the annual letter. Andy Jassy essentially said during the company's first quarter earnings conference call that the emergence of large language models and generative AI is really accelerating the possibility of creating the best personal assistant in the world. Jassy emphasized that Amazon's vision is not just to build a smart speaker, but to create the best personal assistant in the world. Jassy said that the company is starting from a very good place with Alexa, with an installed base of several hundred million endpoints for applications such as entertainment, shopping, smart home technologies, and information. He said that they are building a much larger, more generalized, and capable language model that will accelerate their vision of becoming the best personal assistant in the world. Jassy also reiterated Amazon's commitment to generative AI in its AWS cloud unit, which he highlighted in his recent letter to shareholders. He acknowledged that achieving this goal will be difficult in many areas but believes that the new LLM will help Amazon to achieve its objective of building the best personal assistant in the world. The LLM technology is capable of recognizing, summarizing, and generating text and other content based on large volumes of textual data. Jassy emphasized that Amazon has been investing in artificial intelligence and LLM for years and that while it has the ability to heavily invest in its construction, small companies do not have the same possibility. Other technology giants have also highlighted their investments in LLM during their investor results calls. Apple is developing LLM-based improvements for its virtual assistant Siri, while Alphabet's CEO Sundar Pichai stated that Google will continue to incorporate artificial intelligence to advance in the research field. Microsoft, on the other hand, has already seen an increase in the use of Bing after integrating ChatGPT into its search engine and also highlighted its commitment to investing in artificial intelligence. Meanwhile, Meta, the owner of Facebook, plans to invest in artificial intelligence and introduce related updates in its applications. What is LLM? Large Language Model, LLM, is an artificial intelligence technique that uses artificial neural networks to learn and generate text in a natural language such as Portuguese. Basically, an LLM is a computer program that has been trained on a huge amount of text data, such as books, articles, and web pages, and through this training, has learned to understand and generate text in a natural language. These models are large because they use many parameters and are capable of producing higher quality texts. These models are useful in a variety of tasks, such as automatic translation, text summarization, word prediction, sentiment analysis, and more. They are particularly useful in dealing with large amounts of text data, where it would be impossible for humans to analyze them in a reasonable time. Okay, that's great news. It was certainly expected, and the giant was preparing to enter the right moment of the race of artificial intelligence, which is dominating the world and conquering everyone. Based on current trends and advances in AI technology, here are some possibilities for what Amazon's new Alexa AI could look like. 1. More natural, human conversations. Amazon may continue to improve Alexa's natural language processing (NLP) capabilities to allow it to understand and respond to complex queries in a more human way. This could include improving his ability to understand context and the nuances of language, allowing him to engage in more natural conversations with users. 2. Personalization. Alexa can become more personalized, learning from user interactions and preferences to provide more relevant and personalized responses. This can include personalized recommendations based on a user's search or shopping history, as well as integration with other smart devices to provide a seamless and personalized user experience. 3. Greater functionality. Amazon may continue to expand Alexa's capabilities to allow it to perform more complex tasks like booking travel or managing finances. This may involve integrating with third-party applications and services to provide a broader range of functionality. 4. Improved privacy and security. In light of recent concerns about privacy and data security, Amazon may prioritize improving Alexa's privacy and security features. This may involve implementing stronger encryption measures, giving users more control over their data, and improving transparency of how data is used and stored. Overall, the new Alexa AI can offer more advanced and personalized features, while also addressing user concerns regarding privacy and security. Thank you for watching another video on our channel. I'll have more news for you. Goodbye.